If you want to improve your English at home, this video is for you. Many people think they need to join an expensive course, travel to another country, or talk to native speakers every day. But the truth is simple. You can improve your English from your own home if you follow the right method and stay consistent. In this video, I will give you a complete guide, not just random tips, a full system. If you follow this system daily, your English will improve step by step. Your speaking will become more confident. Your listening will become clear. Your vocabulary will grow naturally. And most important, you will stop feeling afraid of English. First, you need to change your mindset. Many learners say, "My English is weak. I cannot speak. I feel shy." When you repeat these sentences in your mind, your brain believes them. From today, stop saying that. Instead, say, "I am improving every day." English is not a talent, it is a skill, and every skill improves with practice. Now let us talk about the biggest mistake learners make at home. They study too much grammar. They open a grammar book and try to memorize rules. They learn tenses again and again, but when they try to speak, they freeze. Why? Because language is not only rules, language is habit. Think about how you learned your first language. You did not study grammar as a child. You listened, you repeated, you made mistakes. Slowly, you became fluent. So at home, you must create the same environment. The first thing you should do is increase your English input. Input means what you read and what you listen to. If you do not listen to English daily, your brain will not get used to it. Start with simple content. Watch short English videos on YouTube. Choose topics you like. It can be motivation, technology, business, stories, or daily vlogs. When you watch, do not just enjoy, focus. Listen carefully to how sentences are formed. Notice pronunciation. Notice common phrases. At the beginning, you may not understand everything. That's normal. Do not stop the video every second. First, listen without subtitles. Try to understand the main idea. Then, watch again with English subtitles. This time, connect the sound with the words. This method trains your ears and your brain together. Listening daily is powerful. Even 20 to 30 minutes every day can change your level in a few months. Consistency is more important than long hours once a week. The second thing is reading. Reading builds vocabulary and sentence structure in your mind. Start with easy material. You can read short stories, simple articles, or even social media posts in English. When you read, do not translate every word into your language. Try to understand from context. If a word is very important and repeated many times, then check its meaning. Keep a small notebook. Write new words and useful sentences. But do not only write single words. Write full sentences. For example, instead of writing only improve, write "I want to improve my English." This helps you remember how to use the word naturally. Now, let us talk about speaking. Many learners say, "I have no one to practice with." But you do not need a partner in the beginning. You can practice alone at home. Start with self-talking. Yes, talk to yourself. Describe what you are doing. For example, "I am making tea. Now I am opening my laptop. Today I will complete my work." This may feel strange at first, but it builds fluency. Your brain learns to think in English instead of translating. Another powerful method is shadowing. Choose a short English video or audio. Play one sentence, pause, repeat exactly the same sentence with the same tone and speed. Try to copy pronunciation and rhythm. This improves your accent and confidence quickly. You can also record your voice on your phone. Choose a topic like "my daily routine" or "my goals." Speak for 2 minutes, then listen to your recording. You will notice your mistakes. Maybe you pause too much. Maybe you repeat the same words. This awareness helps you improve faster. Do not be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. If you wait to become perfect before speaking, you will never speak. Now let us discuss vocabulary building. Many learners try to memorize long word lists. They learn 50 words in one day. After 1 week, they forget 45 of them. This is not effective. Instead, learn vocabulary from real content. When you watch a video or read an article, pick 5 to 10 useful words or phrases. Review them at night.
Use them in your own sentences. The more you use a word, the stronger it becomes in your memory. Focus more on phrases than single words. For example, instead of learning only decision, learn make a decision. Instead of mistake, learn make a mistake. English is full of fixed combinations. Learning phrases makes your English sound natural. Another important skill is thinking in English. Many learners translate from their native language before speaking. This makes speaking slow and stressful. To stop this habit, start small. When you see objects around you, say their names in English in your mind. When you plan your day, plan in English. Slowly, your brain will switch. Let us talk about grammar now. Grammar is important, but do not let it control you. Learn grammar step by step. Focus on 1/10 at a time. Understand its basic structure, then use it in speaking and writing. For example, if you are learning the present simple tense, speak about your daily routine. Write 5 sentences about your habits. Practice makes grammar automatic.
Writing is another powerful tool. Many people ignore writing, but it improves both speaking and grammar. Every day, write a short paragraph. It can be about your day, your opinion about a topic, or something you learned. Keep it simple. After writing, check for mistakes using online tools or grammar checkers. Correct your errors and rewrite the paragraph. Now I want to talk about creating an English environment at home. Change your phone language to English. Follow English pages on social media. Watch movies in English. Listen to English podcasts while walking or doing exercise. The more English you surround yourself with, the faster you improve. Motivation is important, but discipline is more important. Some days you will feel excited. Some days you will feel tired. On those days, do at least something small. Even 10 minutes of listening is better than 0. Progress comes from daily action. Set clear goals. Do not say, I want to improve my English. That is too general. Say, in 3 months, I want to speak for 5 minutes without stopping. Or, I want to understand English videos without subtitles. Clear goals give direction. Track your progress. Every month, record a video of yourself speaking. Compare it with your old recordings. You will see improvement. This increases confidence and keeps you motivated. Another tip is to learn from your interests. If you like business, watch business content in English. If you like sports, watch sports interviews. When you enjoy the topic, you focus more and remember more. Do not compare yourself with others. Everyone has a different starting point. Focus on becoming better than yesterday. If possible, join online speaking groups or language exchange platforms. Even one conversation per week can boost your confidence. But remember, self-practice at home is the foundation. Let me share a simple daily routine you can follow. Spend 20 minutes listening to English content. Spend 20 minutes reading. Spend 15 minutes speaking practice, including shadowing or self-talking. Spend 10 minutes reviewing vocabulary. And spend 10 minutes writing. This is around 1 hour per day. If you stay consistent for 3 months, your level will change. Improving English is like going to the gym. You cannot build muscles in 1 day, but if you exercise regularly, results will come. Some days you will not see progress, but progress is happening inside. One more important thing is confidence. Many people know English, but they are afraid to speak because they fear judgment. Remember, most people are busy with their own lives. They're not judging your grammar, and even if someone laughs, that says more about them than about you. Speak slowly. Clear communication is more important than speed. Use simple sentences. Fluency is not about using difficult words. It is about expressing your ideas clearly. Also, celebrate small wins. If you understood a full video without subtitles, celebrate. If you spoke for 3 minutes without stopping, celebrate. Small wins build big confidence. Finally, remember why you started. Maybe you want better job opportunities. Maybe you want to grow your business. Maybe you want to travel. Keep your reason strong in your mind. Your reason will push you on difficult days. You do not need a perfect environment. You do not need perfect grammar. You need daily practice, patience, and belief. If you follow this full system at home, your English will improve. Slowly, then faster. One day you will speak confidently and realize that the fear is gone. Start today, not tomorrow. Even after this video ends, take one small action. Watch one English video, learn 5 new phrases, speak for 2 minutes. Action creates results. Your journey to better English starts at home, and it starts now.